Thrown a curveball, understanding unexpected challenges. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, thrown a curveball. This expression is widely used in both professional and casual settings, and understanding its meaning and origins will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also enrich your cultural knowledge. So, let's get started. When someone says they were thrown a curveball, they're talking about experiencing something unexpected and challenging. This phrase is often used to describe a situation that requires quick thinking and adaptability. The curveball, a type of pitch in baseball known for its deceptive curve, serves as a perfect metaphor for sudden complications in life or work. For example, if you were preparing for a presentation and suddenly the topic was changed, you might say, "I was thrown a curveball." The term, thrown a curveball, finds its roots in American baseball. A curveball is a pitch that is thrown with a spin, causing it to dive down and away as it approaches the batter, making it difficult to hit. The first recorded use of the curveball in a baseball game dates back to the late 19th century. Over time, this sports term transitioned into everyday language to symbolize unexpected challenges beyond the baseball diamond. To help you understand how to use this phrase, here are a few examples. "I thought I had the job, but then they threw me a curveball by asking for 10 years of experience. Just when we thought we had planned the perfect wedding, the weather threw us a curveball." Adapting to the new software at work was like being thrown a curveball. In these examples, the phrase is used to highlight surprise elements that require the speaker to adapt to new circumstances. There are several other expressions in English that convey similar meanings. Knowing these can enrich your ability to express unexpected challenges. Caught off guard. This means to be surprised by something unexpected. Blindsided. To be taken by surprise in an unpleasant or harmful way. Out of left field. Another baseball term, indicating something that comes unexpectedly, from an unknown or surprising source. Understanding the phrase, thrown a curveball, not only adds a colorful expression to your English repertoire but also connects you to a piece of American culture and history. Next time you face an unexpected challenge, you'll have the perfect phrase to describe your experience. We hope this video has been helpful and enlightening. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay adaptable, no matter what curveballs life throws your way.